Hello everyone, this is Blake with Mojave Trails and LCOO, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick and simple tutorial on how to set up camp with the Tune M1 truck bed camper. It's really easy and it only takes about 5 minutes to both set it up and to take it down. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the back. I'm going to use my level to see how level I am. I'm going to put it down on the flat surface here. I'm going to check both directions. And it seems I'm going to have to raise it the back and a little more on the right side. I'm going to do this by using these leveler blocks, putting them right in front of the wheels, then driving on there. After I initially get on there, I'm going to get out of the vehicle and check and see what adjustments I got to make. And that looks about good. Once you have it where you want it, always make sure you put on your parking brake. Do not forget that. I'm going to quickly check to see how level I am, and that looks pretty good. The next step is to open up the latches. There are two found at both the front and the back. Now we are ready to open it up. First, hop in and get the bungee out of your way. With that out of the way, push up on only the back side of the roof, as shown. Now hop out, go around to the front, and push up on the corner like this. Head back inside and lock out the back then front as shown. One thing I forgot to show is once you lock out both the front and back, turn these little knobs to make sure that they don't accidentally collapse. There are two of them on each side, both in the front and back. Once you are ready to pack up, pull the knob down and slightly turn it so that you can collapse the roof again. This is a little tricky, as you can see me struggling with it here. It'll look like this once you got it. Make sure you do that for all four knobs. Once you've got that done, rehook the bungees on both sides of the fabric like this. This will help stop the canvas from sticking out when you take down the roof. Now grab the bar in the front and pull it towards you. Do the same with the one in the back and make sure you duck down so you don't hit your head. Then make sure that the front is also fully down. Now hop outside and do a quick walk around to make sure none of the canvas is sticking out. If it is, push it in like this. Now go around and relock all of the latches. Always make sure you center the knob with the slit so that it can close fully. You'll see me have to adjust it a couple of times. Now do the same for the front two ones as well. If the latches happen to seem loose at all, turn it to the right a little bit until you can lock it down properly. You should hear a firm click when the latch closes, like this. That's all for today, my friends. I hope you all enjoyed and found this very helpful. We got a lot more content with the tune coming up, so make sure you subscribe to stay in the loop. Like the video would be really appreciated. And then until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.